Tea is something without which people neither start their day nor cleanse their stomach. However, some believe that we shouldn't drink it because it is extremely harmful to our health. So today, I'm taking you to a tea vendor who makes the world's most unique tea. Let's see how it's prepared today. Mool achar, radish pickle tea, and we'll also find out where to drink it. If not, then this tea, which adds both flavor and health to our lives, is about to be made. First, a large amount of water is poured into a kettle and left to boil on coals. Meanwhile, on the other side, small packets of Hajmola digestive tablets are taken, crushed well, and prepared. Before that, the glasses are being cleaned here. Let me tell you, each and every glass is washed with water first. Then, the boiling water from the kettle is poured into each glass, filling it thoroughly, and then the glasses are cleaned again. One by one, the water from each glass is poured into another, ensuring every glass is perfectly cleaned and ready. After that, the tea making begins. First comes sugar. If anyone wants sugar in their glass, it's added to each one accordingly. Those who prefer sugar-free tea can also enjoy it without sugar. Once sugar is added to each glass, it's time for ginger. A generous amount of ginger is added to every glass, and it's said that if you drink this tea every morning, your stomach will stay healthy, brother. After perfectly adding ginger to each cup, it's time for mint leaves. Here, beautiful, fresh, and clean mint leaves are washed thoroughly and then added skillfully to each glass. Once the mint is added, it's time to open the Hajmola packets. All the Hajmola packets are opened and kept ready. Then, lemons are cut into halves and prepared. Here, you can see our lemons are perfectly sliced and ready. Our Hajmola packets are also opened and our glasses are fully prepared, filled with sugar. Now comes the turn to make our tea. First, the boiling kettle is lifted from the coals and the tea is poured through a strainer into each glass. Let me tell you, this lemon tea has a unique flavor, and if you're making it but haven't tried it yet, what are you even doing? The lemon tea is poured into each cup, and if you're thinking, bro, there's no lemon in it yet, just wait, lemon will be added too. First, each glass is perfectly filled with tea, and then a little hot water is added again. Now that our tea is ready and hot water has been added, it's time to make it lemon tea by squeezing a generous amount of lemon into each glass. And let me tell you, if you think lemon tea originated elsewhere, you're very wrong. It started in the beloved lanes of Banaras. So, one by one, lemon is added to each glass. Now, to add the final touch to our health-boosting tea, half a Hajmola tablet is crushed into each glass. Let me tell you, the charm of Hajmola tea in the lanes of Banaras is unmatched. If you ask anyone where to find Hajmola tea, they'll direct you straight to Bhaiya's shop near the 80th Ghats. So now, a generous amount of Hajmola has been added to each glass. Finally, it's time to stir and prepare the tea. Bhaiya starts swirling the spoon inside the glass like a fan, and as the tea gets ready, he starts serving it to the customers one by one. I'll see you in the next video.